management system certification, product certification, auditing, inspection and testing, third party inspection, quality assurance and compliance by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's competitive global marketplace, quality, compliance, safety and customer confidence are no longer optional. They are essential for sustainable business growth. Whether you are a manufacturer, service provider, exporter, contractor or supplier, demonstrating compliance with international standards helps improve business performance and gain customer trust. In this video, we will introduce the comprehensive services offered by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, including management system certification support, product certification, auditing, inspection and testing, third-party inspection, quality assurance, supplier evaluation, and technical training. Let us begin about URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is a professional organization providing certification support, inspection, auditing, quality assurance, supplier assessment, and technical training services across diverse industries. Our objective is to help organizations achieve international standards, improve operational efficiency, minimize business risks, and strengthen customer confidence. With experienced auditors, inspectors, and technical experts, we deliver reliable and value-added compliance solutions. Management system certification support. Management systems provide a structured framework for improving organizational performance. We offer consultancy, implementation support, training, internal audits, pre-assessment, and certification coordination for various international management system standards. Our services include support for ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety, ISO/IEC 27001 Information Security Management System, ISO/IEC 42001 Artificial Intelligence Management System, ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System, ISO 50001 Energy Management System, ISO 22301 Business Continuity Management, ISO 13485 Medical Device Quality Management, ISO 20001 Part 1 IT Service Management, ISO 37001 Anti-Bribery Management System, ISO 41001 Facility Management System, ISO 55001 Asset Management System, ISO 39001 Road Traffic Safety Management System, and many other international standards. Our team supports organizations from gap analysis to successful certification. Product certification services. Product certification demonstrates that products comply with applicable standards, technical specifications, and regulatory requirements. We provide support for various product certifications requirements including product compliance evaluation, technical documentation review, product testing coordination, factory assessment support, regulatory certification assistance, export product compliance, market access support. Product certification increases customer confidence and enhances acceptance in domestic and international markets. Now, auditing services. Auditing is one of the most effective methods for evaluating organizational performance. Our audit services include internal audits, supplier audits, second-party audits, process audits, product audits, compliance audits, manufacturing audits, technical audits, gap assessments, pre-certification audits. Our experienced auditors identify improvement opportunities that enhance quality, efficiency, and compliance. Inspection and testing services. Inspection and testing ensure that products and processes meet customer and regulatory requirements. Our services include visual inspection, dimensional inspection, material verification, mechanical testing coordination, chemical testing coordination, non-destructive testing coordination, pressure testing, performance testing, factory acceptance testing, documentation review. Inspection helps minimize quality issues before product reach customers. Third-party inspection services. Independent third-party inspection services provides confidence that the manufacturing activities comply with contractual and technical requirements. Our inspection services cover raw material inspection, in-process inspection, final inspection, vendor inspection, source inspection, factory acceptance test witnessing, packaging inspection, loading supervision, dispatch clearance, manufacturing progress monitoring. Third-party inspection reduces project risks and improves customer confidence. Now, quality assurance and compliance. Quality assurance is much more than inspection. It is a systematic approach to preventing defects and ensuring consistent quality. Our quality assurance services include quality planning, quality documentation, inspection planning, compliance verification, manufacturing surveillance, supplier development, corrective action verification, quality improvement support. We help organizations build robust quality systems that consistently deliver customer satisfaction. Supplier evaluation services. Selecting the right supplier is critical for business successes. URGS International provides professional supplier evaluation services including supplier qualification, technical capability assessment, manufacturing facility evaluation, quality system assessment, production capacity evaluation, production risk assessment, supplier performance monitoring. These evaluations help organizations build reliable and effective supply chains. Then next is technical training and professional development. Knowledge is one of the strongest investments for any organization. URGS International provides professional training programs in ISO standards, internal auditor courses, lead auditor courses, quality management, inspection techniques, supplier quality, risk management, industrial safety, food safety, information security, environmental management, artificial intelligence management systems, energy management, customized corporate training. Our training programs help professionals improve their technical skills and organizational performance. Now, why choose URGS International? Organizations choose URGS International because we offer experienced technical experts, international standards expertise, professional auditors and inspectors, independent third-party inspection, comprehensive certification support, quality assurance services, supplier evaluation, technical training, timely project execution, customer-focused solutions. Our goal is to help organizations achieve quality, compliance, and sustainable business growth. At last, closing message, summary. Thank you for watching. If your organization is looking for reliable support in management system certification, product certification, auditing services, inspection and testing, third-party inspection, quality assurance and compliance, supplier evaluation, technical training, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is your trusted partner for quality, compliance and business excellence. For inquiries, training, inspections or certification support, email us info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please first message your inquiry through WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on ISO standards, quality management, inspection, certification, compliance and professional development. Thank you for watching and we look forward to supporting your organization's journey toward excellence.